how to add hyperlink in Elementor website. So what I've done is I've just logged into my Elementor account and I'll open the Elementor editor here. Now, once we have the editor open, the first thing that we'll need to do is add a text editor. So from the widgets, just search for text editor and add it onto our website. Now here we can customize the text. I'll just do, this is a YouTube video. And then once we have our text set up, obviously we'll change the font and whatever we need. So once we have it set up, what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the text that we want to add a hyperlink to. And then we want to click on this link icon. So insert/edit link. Here we'll paste the URL for the link that we want to add. So I'll just do youtube.com and I'll press enter here. And now, as you can see, this is a hyperlink. And if people click this, then they'll be referred to YouTube, the link that I've set. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.